Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing. Several times a year, we get together to watch such an exciting event as the Apple presentation live. And now this time has come, because today, March 25th, Tim Cook and his colleagues will take the stage to show us some interesting new products, and not counting the new iPad and AirPods too. And we traditionally invite you to join our online broadcast to watch this fascinating spectacle together. All the most interesting will take place on YouCook World, where a text broadcast will be working with photos and the latest news from the Steve Jobs Theater in Cupertino, as well as video from the audience. By the way, today the main page of our channel will be automatically redirected to the broadcast page, so it will be impossible to get lost. Leading broadcasts will begin to work for you today. But if for some reason you do not have the ability or desire to use this broadcast, we have another option for you, a special channel YouCook World, in which you can follow today's presentation in real time. Hurry up to subscribe and enjoy the latest news and live broadcasts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.